Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So recently I got a request from one of my viewers, Preeti, to create a look for western outfits, and I decided to create this look right here, this plum and brown smoky eye look. I think this look is perfect for all your western outfits, and it does not mean that you cannot wear it with your Indian outfits. Of course you can wear it with your Indian outfits as well, because it is such a universal look. So before starting, if you are new here, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and if you are already a subscriber, then I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade in the shade Black Brown, and I am just drawing the borders of my brows first, and then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. The brush that I'm using is from Morphe, and I recently shared with you my updated eyebrow routine. If you are interested, I will link it down in the description bar below, so please do check that out. I have shared so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect brows whenever you do your makeup in that video, so please go ahead and check that out. I'm taking this Covergirl TruBlend Undercover concealer in the shade tan, soft tan I believe, and I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Whenever I'm doing a party makeup, I always make sure to follow this step. It makes a huge difference on the way my brows look. I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This sponge is from Wet n Wild, and it is my favorite sponge. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 15 Light, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking Antique Bronze from my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm applying it all over on my eyelid with this flat shader brush from Morphe, and this is I think Morphe M124 brush, and I'm just applying it all over on my eyelid. And this is a beautiful cool toned brown color, and it has a satin finish. Now I'm taking Burnt Orange. It's a warm toned brown color, and I'm just blending out the edges with this e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm just slowly blending it out to have that seamless finish, to have that gradient effect and that smokiness. So just be patient and blend it out, and it will all be blended perfectly. Now I'm taking Cypress Amber from the same palette. It's a dark brown shade, and with this Morphe M506 brush, I'm just applying it on my outer V area to bring back some depth and definition. Now with my Jordana Easy Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Jet Black, I'm just lining my upper lash line, as well as I'm drawing a small wing here, and you do not have to be precise with this step because I'm going to smudge it out eventually. I'm taking Cypress Amber again with this smudger brush from Morphe. This is a Morphe M508 brush, and I'm just smudging out that eyeliner, and I'm just creating a very nice smoky wing eyeliner here. If you are planning to wear this look with your Indian outfit, then you can totally use your regular eyeliner like black liquid eyeliner to create a wing, and that will look perfect. Now I'm taking Venetian Red. It's a beautiful pink color, and I'm just applying it right here to have that warmth, to have that plummy effect on my eyes. I'm just blending it out again with a clean blending brush. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base. For that, first I'm taking this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Serum, and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. This particular primer just hydrates your skin and gives your skin a little bit of tackiness. That way your foundation will be long lasting. Now for color correcting, I'm using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange Color Corrector, and I'm just applying it wherever I have pigmentation, dark spot, acne spot and dark circle. It will just help to neutralize all those darkness underneath, and my foundation, my concealer will not look grey in color. And I'm just blending it out using the same damp beauty sponge. For my foundation, I am going with this L'Oreal Fresh Wear foundation in the shade 475, and I'm just buffing it in using the same damp beauty sponge. And I was using the foundation after a really long time, and I was not sure if it's going to match me or not, but it did. It does oxidize, so after that it will be a perfect match, so do not worry. And this particular foundation gives you a medium to full coverage. It's very long lasting, and no matter what skin type you have, you are going to enjoy this foundation. This is very lightweight on the skin, and it is perfect for the summertime as well. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same concealer, and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, on the sides of my mouth, down the bridge of my nose, as well as on the center of my forehead. I'm just blending everything out again using the same damp beauty sponge. This is again my one of favorite drugstore concealers. It gives you full coverage, it's very lightweight, it's not cakey at all, it does not crease, and it lasts all day long on my face. I absolutely love it, and it is heavily pigmented. You do not even need to use much. I'm taking this Fit Me Loose powder again, and with the same damp beauty sponge, I'm just setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines, and I'm kind of pushing the product in. I'm not rubbing my sponge at all. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Maybelline SuperStay powder foundation in the shade 312 Golden, and I'm just setting my entire makeup. Now I'm going to finish my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Easy Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Jet Black. Now taking Cypress Amber on an angled brush, I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line, and I'm trying to make it as smoky as possible. This way it will just give my eyes a bigger looking appearance, and it will just make it look a little bit sultry, smoky and sexy. I'm taking Antique Bronze with the same brush, and I'm just applying it on the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together. I'm taking this particular shade called Primavera, and I'm just highlighting my brow bones and my inner corners using this eyeliner brush that came with my Maybelline gel eyeliner. I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Big Eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess mascara. You can totally skip falsies if you want to, but I'm a falsie person, so I'll be using falsies off camera. And this particular mascara is Balm. It just gives your lashes a bit of length, a bit of volume. In short, it's one of the best drugstore mascaras out there. You can totally give it a shot, and you can see without falsies my eyes are looking pretty good, right? And here is the final eye look. I applied falsies off camera, of course. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. As I mentioned earlier, it is really easy to recreate, and it is pretty universal look. You can wear this look with any outfit that you have. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. For that, first I'm taking this Balm Cosmetics Bahama Mama bronzer, and I'm just contouring the parameters of my face, like the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, my jawline, as well as my nose. And to contour my nose, I'm using this Morphe E62 brush. I'm taking this Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade 04 glow, and I'm just bronzing up my face even more to bring back that sun-kissed glow to my face. For my blush, I'm going with this e.l.f. Primer Infused blush in the shade Always Rosy. It's such a nice mauvish pink color, and I'm just applying it on my cheeks, on my chin, as well as on my nose. The brush that I'm using is from Flower Beauty. I'm taking another e.l.f. product, and it's again my favorite. This is e.l.f. Metallic Flare Highlighter in the shade White Gold, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face using this setting brush from Real Techniques. And this is such a gorgeous highlighter, you guys. You need to build it up quite a bit to have that intensity, but if you are a subtle highlight kind of a person, you are going to enjoy this one. And it does not even emphasize texture on my face. I'm just setting my entire makeup using my Ofra makeup fixer. For my lips, I'm using my current favorite lip combo. This is my Milani lipstick in the shade I Am Positive. Such a beautiful brown color, and then I'm topping it up with this Loreal Color Rich lipstick in the shade Daring Blush. This is my favorite lip combo at the moment, and that is pretty much it. Here is the final look. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. According to me, it's just a perfect smoky dream, you can say. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, then please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends and family. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.